Hi, my name is Andrew Aparicio. I am 34 years of age. I've worked many industries, including film, taxes. I held a job as a barista once, and during the height of the pandemic, I decided to become my own business owner. I started a welding business, and through this welding business, I was able to learn new skills, opportunities, and make many friends that helped my life and my career as well. In 2021, I signed the lease for my first location. This is the first time I ever signed a contract. And through this, I was able to start my business. I invested heavily into machinery and also heavily into the skill set that I needed to really excel in this trade. Now, the problem is many people do not have access to this kind of funding or even the ability or space to collaborate or work with other artists for their creative goals. The more I got into this career, the more I realized that there were some pitfalls in this field. For example, the industry for welders is around 64% being Caucasian, with minorities making a low percentage, 15% Latino, and around 7% consisting of Black or Asians within this field. Other alarming statistics I discovered were that women made less than 6% of the total workforce for welding. And I met many women who wanted to become welders themselves. Another alarming figure is that 2% are of LGBTQ identification. So there is a big disparity for this industry. This revelation has led me to try to create my own welding school where I can use my location to better train the future workforce of America, people who are underrepresented by their ethnicity or their makeup of whatever gender identification that they conform with.